to send money from Western Union to PayPal. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you will be able to send your money from your Western Union account to your PayPal account. So first of all, just come to the official website of Western Union, and here on the home screen you will see the option to send money online wherever you want. So you can send the money internationally. For example, you want to transfer the money from USD to any other currency. You can select the currency from the list given below and just enter the amount and send the money now. But if you want to transfer the money in your PayPal account, when you click on send money now, on the next page you will not see any of the option to send money directly from your Western Union account to your PayPal account. As you can see that you only have the option to cash transfer or through bank account or through a Paytm or any other wallet that they have in their country. So basically, as of now, there is no such option to send your money directly from your Western Union account to your PayPal account. For example, if you click on the help section from the top, and when you click on the search text and search for PayPal, you will not see any result. That means the Western Union currently doesn't support any transfer directly from your Western Union to your PayPal. But if you still want to transfer your money from your Western Union account to your PayPal account, all you can do is just transfer the money from your Western Union account to your bank account. And once you successfully transfer your money from your Western Union account to your bank account, then from your bank account, you can go ahead and transfer your money from the particular bank account to your PayPal account. This is the only way through which you can transfer the money from your Western Union account to your bank account. So this way you will be able to send your money from your Western Union to your PayPal account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.